welcome back to the channel. Let's take a look at what we'll be expecting on EURJPY for the day. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, and that's you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram to stay updated. So this was the movement we predicted last time. Talked about markets rejecting from here by giving us the bullish move. This is exactly what market has done. Market has actually given us that bullish move. I mean, this prediction was very easy. So this is one of the reasons why if you trade EURJPY, you want to learn how to trade it properly. Just have to do is join the mentorship program. It's currently going on. So you will find the link to the mentorship in the comment section. So learn how to trade properly, know what to expect, know how to react, and know how to trade it. So learn how to trade properly, especially EURJPY, learn how to trade properly. You'll find the link to the mentorship in the section. So now, if you go to your forward time frame, you can clearly see that the reason why we had this rejection from the bottom to the top was that this bottom is our support level. So market has rejected, and now we are also going to be expecting a reaction from it. The reason is that this place is also our resistance level. So now markets rejected from here. We also had a rejection from here. Also had a rejection from here. Then we expect a rejection from here. Whereby market maybe back small, then another drop. So target will be to the support